Are you looking for the best hoverboards comparison? In this video we will look at some of the best hoverboards comparison on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hover1 Helix Hoverboard. The Hover1 Helix is easy to ride, supports up to 160 pounds, and comes with features similar to premium hoverboards at an incredible price, making it a great choice for beginners. Helix is powered by two 200 watts motors capable of reaching up to 7 miles per hour. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery keeps Helix going for up to 4 miles of fun on a single charge. Pair your Bluetooth device to the built-in Bluetooth speaker and play your favorite music and podcasts while you ride. Helix is also available in camo, galaxy, gunmetal, and iridescent color schemes. Get ready to turn heads and leave your mark with the Hover1 Helix. Number 2. Hover1 Rogue Hoverboard. The Hover1 Rogue is a foldable hoverboard that includes an integrated handle, making it a breeze to carry and transport. The dual 250 watts motors produce a combined 500 watts of power, providing enough torque to scale inclines of 12 degrees and reach an exciting top speed of 9 miles per hour. Enjoy your favorite track or playlist while you ride with the built-in Bluetooth speaker. Switch between the 3 skill modes, enable GPS tracking, and customize the color of your RGB fender lights and headlights with the Android and iOS compatible app. The long-lasting battery provides up to 7 miles of range, and the 10 tires provide excellent ride quality. Hover1 Rouge is the ultimate blend of performance, practicality, and fun. Number 3. Titan Electric Hoverboard. Ride in style with Titan heavy-duty hoverboard. 10 inches wheels, powerful 500 watts motor, 250 watts X2, and enough torque that easily gets up inclines of up to 10 degrees. This hoverboard scooter can go up to 8 miles per hour over a 8-mile range. Step on one side first. The hoverboard smart balance wheel stabilizes for you to put your other foot. Controls are easy to learn, letting you smoothly accelerate, decelerate by applying pressure with your feet or leaning. With gyroscopes and acceleration sensors, the inertia dynamic stabilization system keeps you in control. Titan self-balancing scooter stabilizes the rider, controls balance and motion for a safe and fun riding experience. Number 4. Hoverboard. 6.5 inches LED solid. Hoverboards get their popularity from innovative designs and reliable quality, featuring dual 200 watt motors and a max speed of 6.2 miles per hour. The Nova PRO can support up to 176 pounds. The new design of the Nova PRO is extremely energy efficient. Using a 36 volts 2.6Ah battery, it can ride up to 6 miles on a single charge ideally. Equipped with self-balancing control system to go straight, make a turn, rotate for 360 degrees locally, and is operated at will. Hoverboards have passed the strict electrical, battery and charger systems tested, and approved UL 2272 safety certification to ensure safety. Hoverboard's floor is affixed with a unique hull certification label. Number 5. Drive Electric Hoverboard. Drive is powered by two 160 watts motors that enable it to climb 10-degree inclines and reach a 7 miles per hour top speed. The 6.5 inches solid wheels provide a smooth and enjoyable ride. The bright, dual LED headlights illuminate your path and add style to your ride. Drive is great for newcomers looking to build their confidence on a quality hoverboard with simple riding controls. Non-slip foot pads keep you in place while the dynamic stabilization system keeps you balanced and upright.